Hey there. In this tutorial, I'll show you install Open WebUI on Android with Termux, run a chat-like AI interface locally, 2026. Let's get started. Install Termux and Dependencies. Download Termux from F-Droid, not Google Play. Grant storage access with Termux setup storage. Then run package update, package upgrade, and install Git, Python, and nodejs. Install Ollama as AI backend. Ollama is the model runner. Install it with curl fssl https://ollama.com/install.sh. Then pull a lightweight model like Phi 3 or Llama 3.2 with Ollama pull. Clone and install Open WebUI. Clone the repository with git clone https://github.com/open-webui/open-webui.git cd into it. Then run npm install to install all dependencies. Configure and run the server. Start the Open WebUI backend by running Python backend /open_webui/ main.py from the Open WebUI directory. Access the interface at http://localhost 3000 in your phone browser. Chat with AI locally. Open your browser, navigate to localhost 3000, select your model, and start chatting. No cloud, no data leaving your phone. Fully private AI chat right on your Android device. That's it for today. Subscribe to Kola Lawal for daily AI on Android tutorials. See you tomorrow.